So these are the exact coordinates to your all's base, correct?
Yes.
Good. Be with you here in a second. Boss. Hello? Okay. So, we got the exact coordinates to the base of operations. But I also might want to tell you, we are running low on food and supplies. So, is there any place I can go to get some food and supplies, maybe? Or we just stranded in the middle of nowhere with nothing?
I'll give you some coordinates. The place has food.
Oh my god, you can talk too. You gotta be kidding me.
We can all talk.
Okay. Nope. Okay. I'll go. Okay, this looks like the place I don't know anymore. Told me to go to. Looks nice, though, I will admit. That's not good. Hello. Nice to meet you, ducks. Alright. Oh, that's not good. Hello? I came to get food from people I work for, or the person I work for.
Look to your right.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Who do you work for?
What was that?
Who do you work for?
Who do I work for? Squids. I work for the squids. Nice seeing you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm leaving. Never again. I'm not doing that ever again. Bye-bye. Alright, I'm back. Boss? Boss, why?
He disrespected me.
Okay, here you go. I'm going to bed.